Okay guys, so real quick I just want to kind of walk y'all through this new template that I just put together. This is a fairly simple collage template. If you're using Spa or Pixnub, I kind of got this thing set up to where you can just run an automation and you can do the collages at a rather fast pace. There's different players right here, but the way I'm running them in batch is going to be the same image because I find it to be a whole lot faster to be able to go on just run the same image. And I mean, if you want to take out the time, you can go in and you can fix that CSV file up to the point to where you can do separate players, but I'm just going to show you a faster way of just doing the same player, or the same image rather. So here, jump down to my layers. I have my main player right here set up, and he's going to be spot player 1, as you can see here. And I know some people are having trouble with the shadows and the reflections on the feet, so what I did, I just covered them up right here. I got a little cloud of smoke right here to kind of give you that full body perspective, but at the same time, if you don't have a problem with that, you can easily come in and just take this layer and take it out, and you can add the shadows to the feet, kind of like I've done right here in mine, if you just want the full body look. But if you don't care to wrestle with the shadows and all that, I mean, just cover them up. And again, all these layers are set up on Spa, so Spa Text 4 is going to be this layer down here. That's only if you want to edit those, but you can go in and just kind of fix this up how you want to and just run it to where it's only changing the photos, which is what I'm doing right here. I'm not going in and changing everybody's names and doing all this stuff because it's just a little too time consuming for me at the moment. The black and white image back here is set up on Spa 2, and if you want yours to be in color, all you gotta do is come to player 2 right here. You can just mute that, put them back in color. All these layers you can go in and edit, and you can run them in automation to change if you just want to go and do that, customize the numbers and everything, but put your logo back there. But if you just care to do different things, I have this logo set up on a Spa layer, the Spa logo. But the way I do it, you go in, you're going right here to data file, starter, and player file 2. This way Spa know that you're using 2 players. As you can see, I'm working out of Windows Excel, and you see the main Spa file is already populated. All I do is take this, I'm just gonna copy this layer over here to basically say those same images for player 2. So I'm gonna go in, save it. I don't know why I like to use this, but I mean, hey, let's change that to Spa 4 or whatever you want to save it as. Okay, and then from here, okay, let's go back to Photoshop and let's, okay, so then we go over here to batch process. You can get your image folder set up, your save folder, your template file, and be sure to get that CSV file. But this is how you're gonna pull in your second player. Template, no extract. Spa 4. Alright. And just gonna run it. And as you can see, although it's the same image, I mean, simple collage. if you just want to go in and you want to personalize all of this, I did include, like, let's just say for example you want to put a number in, you can do the number. Let me go and take that logo out. So you can do jersey numbers. Again, this is just going to cause you to have to customize that CSV file.